Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about a very important and serious topic, the dark side of technology. Specifically, I want to discuss how social media is destroying your mental health and happiness. Now, don't get me wrong. I love social media. I use it every day to connect with my friends, family, and fans. I also use it to learn new things, get inspired, and have fun. Social media can be a great tool for communication, education, and entertainment. But, as with anything, too much of a good thing can be bad. And social media is no exception. Anxiety and depression. Studies have found that people who spend more time on social media are more likely to experience symptoms of anxiety and depression, such as low mood, low self-esteem, and suicidal thoughts. This is partly because social media can trigger feelings of envy, insecurity, and loneliness, as people compare themselves to others and feel left out or inadequate. Addiction and distraction. Studies have also found that social media can be addictive and distracting, as people develop a habit of constantly checking their phones and notifications for updates, likes, and comments. This can interfere with their ability to focus, concentrate, and perform tasks that require attention and cognitive skills. Disconnection and isolation. Studies have also found that social media can create a false sense of connection and intimacy, as people substitute online interactions for real-life ones. This can reduce their social skills, empathy, and emotional intelligence, as they lose the ability to read facial expressions, body language, and tone of voice. So, what can we do to avoid these negative effects of social media? Well, the answer is simple. We need to use social media more wisely and responsibly. Here are some tips that can help you do that. Limit your time on social media. Set a daily or weekly limit on how much time you spend on social media, and stick to it. Use apps or tools that can track and block your usage, or turn off your notifications and put your phone on silent mode. You can also schedule specific times or days when you use social media, and avoid using it before bed or during work or study hours. Be selective and intentional. Choose which social media platforms and accounts you follow, and unfollow or mute those that make you feel bad, bored, or annoyed. Also, be mindful and purposeful of what you post, share, and consume on social media, and ask yourself if it adds value, joy, or meaning to your life and others. Don't just mindlessly scroll or click, but engage with content that is relevant, interesting, and positive. Balance online and offline activities. Make sure that you balance your time and energy between online and offline activities, and don't let social media replace or interfere with your real-life hobbies, interests, and goals. Find other ways to entertain, educate, and express yourself, such as reading, writing, drawing, playing, or learning something new. By following these tips, you can enjoy the benefits of social media without falling into its traps. You can use social media as a tool, not a crutch, and as a supplement, not a substitute, for your life. You can also improve your mental health and happiness, and live a more fulfilling and satisfying life. That's all for today, folks. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below what you think about this topic. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.